Patron, take them away.
Okay guys, CPI report has just come in. We were talking about selling pound this morning. So let's jump into it and see if we can see what's going on. Give me a second while I just switch my screens on. It's just gone through the first 5-minute candle, which is kind of what you need to gain some information. Right. All my screens are switched on. Right, first thing I need to do is I want to put in some dailies to see what's going on. Well, I can see that it's smashed through the daddies. Okay, so where's its next logical point of stall? And I'm doing this really quick from a blank screen. Well, there's your 50%. And it pretty much went to it. There's a shocker. So what are we working against? We're working against this 38 and this 23. Coming up here, and if it continues to move downwards, all these levels here are what it's going to work against. Right, now they're daily points of attraction. I'm going to take this down into the hourly, see what's been going on. Well, there's a lovely big move here. Started there, ended there, and you'll see where it came from. It's come from that plateau. So let me just quickly whack this in. So again, these will give areas of interest that the market can work against. And it's pretty much cock on to what we've just drawn. So it's probably the same move. Okay, so all these black lines are what we're working against. Brilliant. So what else can we pick out of this? Well, that was the last dive before this. So again, I can come here and I can drop these in. Now what this does is this breaks up the trading arena from there to there and gives me clean entry points that I can work on. Now this will come apparent in a minute because I'll be using a fib again on the 5-minute chart. But I want these all marked up. I'm trying to do it as quickly as I can. And I'm doing it simply because we spoke about it and the guys are having a merry dance about it in the Discord. I'll show you that in a minute once I've got some orders triggered. Okay. 15 minutes. What are we looking like? It's not bad. Take it into the 5-minute candle so I can see exactly where we are. I want some danger zones on this. Danger zones are points of attraction. Right. Okay. So it's going to be this area here is a sell area or a danger zone because anything could happen in that area. And then I want to get out down before it gets down here. All right. So there's my chart marked out. See exactly what's going on. It's gone to the pip. It's getting ready to sell into this. Now I want it as a quick hit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drop that under there a second. I want that there. And I want to be out on this blue line. Just like so. And I'm just going to wait. Kaboom. Right, that's in. Excellent. So I'm going to place an order here, 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 and here to all get out here. Now that is triggered in, you can see what's going on. I have a dominance to the sell side on this. So I want that there. Right. I just wait. See what happens. I'm going to be in and out quick. So I'll play it out and I'll come back to you. Okay guys, this is completely risk-free, can't lose. It's already cashed one of the 3 options out, took the top one out, and I'm just going to let it play out. It's on a trailer, and what that means is I've got one stepping every 15 pips, one stepping every 10 pips, just in case one of them gets tagged out slightly, the other one mightn't, but they're just going to run along. The stops, as you can see, are sitting here and they're on trailing. So if I just take them down a tad onto there and onto there, if that comes back, fair enough. But we're just going to let them run down, well, to wherever. We've got one that's going to bomb out here. If you hear any noise, I'm afraid I've got joiners. We start in the kitchen, so they're on knocking 7 shits out of that. But that's pulling down, and what we're going to is giving it so many. Give us a second. I'll let him stop. Up there it is. One of them's going to kill out here because that's starting to go in the danger zone, but the top one, we're going to run it all the way down to here. Now what I'm actually going to do with that now is just well, I thought they'd finished. I'm just going to run that one out. So there you go. That's this done. There's nothing running apart from what I've just told you about. I should have got my orders out. I have, and that's what you saw me do yesterday and today. So it's running on. This is for you, Finbot, little hobbit. I'm sort of ending the video early just so you can see it quickly. And the idea came from that. So there we go. Right, it's very, very noisy. So I'll just, I switched off now. Let me flick that back. The idea came from this. It's a fair trade. You know, there was a lot of emphasis that it was going to sell off. Well, the double D didn't change. That was available. And we just kept it relatively low TP, which is why I targeted to the middle. As soon as it got enough money, it was time to pull the plug, put it onto trailers to see if it'll keep on running. And then that way we'd have been good. And it's currently sitting with 59 quid's worth of profit off just a couple of quid. So we'll just let it run out, and you'll maybe see it on the next video, but the guys in the squad will definitely see it. So as always guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.